Yun ang atang audience niya.
Ang shotgun mic, friend. Alam mo yan.
Hirap mag-edit ng sound niya.
Ayan, ang ganda ng ano natin. Ang ganda ng framing natin pang mayaman. Sarap.
Legit.
Actually, hindi ko pa ito nabasa. Magbubukas pa lang ako ng email, di ba? Hey, what's up guys? This is Jonathan Norbuda, your favorite vlogger. You're watching I Love Touching TV. And kasama ko ngayon ang dalawa kong mga kaibigan at nakilala ko sa radio station na Tri-Media. At pansin mo ba medyo social yung ano ko?
Oo, ang ganda ng ano niya, ng ngipin niya.
Thank you, Doctor. Kasi may hard part. Ang kapal lang hirap magsalita. Pero anyway,
Shoutout mo yung clinic. Go.
shoutout ko pala, Oral Wellness Dental Clinic sa Mandaluyong. So, bisitahin nyo kasi nakalibre ako, ha? Yan. So, anyway, kasama ko ngayon, introduce muna natin kasi, di ba? Anong mo rin sarili mo, te? Wala nang ano.
Hi guys, I am M.A. Buendia, radio host,
Nagkaya hawakan. Sabi ko, hawakan yun eh.
Oh, sige, take me.
Go.
Hi guys, my name is M.A. Buendia, radio host ng Call Center Radio and social media influencer and motivational speaker. Ano tayo, te?
Hi guys, I'm Fania Sempron, radio broadcaster, beauty queen, just lang, BPO worker.
For a span of
Secret na
sa
yun.
dekada. Well, speaking of beauty queen, ito yung ano natin ngayon, ito yung challenge natin
Okay.
ngayon. Kasi nga, ang plano ko talaga kailangan ko lang talaga mag-collaborate tayo ngayon, di ba?
Aha, yes.
So since gagawa tayo mamaya, panoorin nyo pala yung Samyang Challenge, puput ko yung link below.
Yes, magkakaroon kami ng Spicy Noodle Challenge. Kasama silang dalawa sa channel ko. So please subscribe M.A. Buendia HD.
Yes! And, syempre pa ngayon, speaking of beauty queen nga, ang contest, ang natin, challenge natin ngayon ay Q&A challenge na sa mga pageantry. Oh, tapos nagpagawa ako na hindi ko to alam pa, mamaya spoiler na naman, di ba? Gumawa ako ng mga question dito, pero hindi talaga ako gumawa nito. Nag-autos ako, si William Pombo na naman ang gumawa nito. So, 15 siya na question. So, babasahin ko yung question. Then, tayong tatlo, sasagot tayo.
Okay, mabilis ang sagot lang.
Impromptu.
Okay.
So, I'm sure sanay na kayo sa tell me something about yourself na mga questions. So, di ba? Impromptu, thought organization,
Okay.
tsaka paano i-deliver.
Sige, sige.
Diba?
Kukunin ko yung bell. Wait, kukunin ko yung bell.
Paano bell?
May bell eh.
Sige, sige. So, at least, sasagot tayong lahat. Pero paunahan na lang kung sino yung ano, at biglang walang script, di ba? Bigla-biglaan
Oo
lang.
nga eh.
Ay, nakaka-pressure. I
Ayan
don't
yung aming
feel
bell.
any pressure right now.
Oo. Pero siyempre sasagot din ako, di ba?
Oh,
Kasi
sige.
parang, pero hindi talaga ako magaling, sorry kasi, di ba?
Okay, na first question.
First question. From 1969 Miss Universe, if the man from the moon landed in your hometown, what would you do to entertain him?
Ulitin natin kasi may
audio.
noise. Okay.
Question number 1 from 1969 Miss Universe. If kay Gloria
Kay
Diaz
Gloria
yata to,
Diaz,
di ba?
yeah.
Kay Gloria
Oo,
Diaz
yun
to.
sa kanya.
So if the man from the moon landed in your hometown, what would you do to entertain him?
Okay.
So, kunyari mag-bell
Hometown
tayo.
muna.
Home-
Sabi mo yung hometown
Hometown,
muna.
sige. Hometown nyo kasi Makati.
Pero sa akin, isa mga freaking feel na feel ko, isa mga, oh, yeah. Parang, ano,
Di
parang
ba,
show.
lahat ng game show.
Oo,
diba?
go.
So, hometown ko kasi Makati. I was born and raised there. So, ang gagawin ko, siguro mag-vlog kami. I-vlog ko kung ano yung experience niya
Sa moon.
sa moon, di ba? Share ko sa mga subscribers ko. Ayun.
Ang tari, wala pa rin kakalimutan
Talagang
yung
YouTube
YouTube pa
pa
rin.
rin.
Okay, ikaw.
Hometown.
Hometown ko is Cebu City, Queen City of the South. So, there are kind of a lot of things na
Ay, ang
pwede natin-
taray. May mga...
Wise ka.
So there are kind of a lot of things that we can do there. But if gusto niyo yung dagat, I will bring him sa outskirts ng Cebu, which is Oslo, para mag-swimming with Butandi.
Butante.
Ako naman,
Ano?
Hometown. Wait,
Hometown.
Bell.
Pila-pila sa pa. if the man from the moon landed sa hometown ko na Bohol, siguro ang gagawin ko is dapat magstay muna siya sa bahay. Talagang walang bawal lumabas 1 week muna siya, kasama ko siya. Kasi di ba, I'm pretty sure na si Armstrong to. So,
Gago, patay na. Ay, patay na ba?
Patay na ba? Hindi, basta kung sino man galing sa muna yan, pag bet, sa bahay ka lang, bawal lumabas.
Okay.
O, akin ka lang, ganon.
Yeah,
Oo, ganon, totoo yan.
Okay, so next question.
Next question, 1973 Miss Universe. What's the difference between being Miss Universe and being a Filipina?
Okay, ikaw na mauna ka na, Tanya.
Hala!
Very
But
difficult
yan,
question. Thank you for that very difficult question. Next question, please. Ano nga, what's the difference between being a Miss Universe and being
Being
a
a Filipina.
Well, napaisip ako dun. Well, for me, there isn't much of a difference because being a Miss Universe and being a Filipina is both an honor and a responsibility.
Napunta kay Miss Pia World sa ba?
Kasi, di ba, if kaya mo siyang i-portray what the Filipina is, it should be compassionate, hospitable. We are people of values. So I think kapag you are just a natural Filipino, then being a Miss Universe shouldn't be that much of a difficulty for you. Ang hirap ng
Ang hirap pala, no?
Dapat binisaya ko na lang eh.
Oo, actually, nandun din yung sagot ko eh. Parang there's not much of a difference. Kasi nga, Filipinos are known to be global. So, masyado tayong competitive in the
Oh my God.
world arena. So, I mean, kung Miss Universe ka man or Miss Philippines, so, ganun pa rin yung responsibility. Well, the good thing about being Miss Philippines, para as mas local yung cause na magagawa mo, di ba? Ayun lang. O, ikaw na.
Being a Filipina siguro, mas yung target market mo pang Pinoy lang talaga.
Mas, ayun.
Pero pag nasa Miss Universe ka na, globally na yung target market ng beauty mo.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Pero not necessarily na pag Filipina ka. 'Di ba kasi,
Philippines lang.
'di ba parang yung nun is na-associate ang Filipina na mga maid,
Maids.
ganyan. 'Di ba? So hindi naman ganon. So parang pag Miss Universe, talagang equally talaga siya, 'di ba? Equally distributed, equally treated, distributed.
Yes. Nice.
Oh.
O, next.
question.
Third question.
Third question, 1999 Miss Universe. Basahin mo nga pa, ang hirap ng ano ko eh.
Should Miss Universe be allowed to keep her crown if she became pregnant?
Okay. Kanino question? Kanino bang question yan? Basta,
Pag alam nila,
Hindi lang yan. Kung natatandaan nyo kung saan tinanong or anong year
Comment
yung question
nyo na
na yan,
lang.
Wow.
please put it in the comment section below.
1990.
how would, should Miss Universe be allowed to keep her crown if
She became pregnant. Well, I don't know the technicalities of whether kailan ka pwedeng mag-keep ng crown or not. But for me, being pregnant and being Miss Universe shouldn't, being pregnant while being Miss Universe shouldn't be a hindrance for you. Kasi, diba, Miss Universe celebrates the essence of being a woman. So if the essence of being a woman is to like give love and give birth, be a mother, or be single or what, then hindi siya dapat hindrance for you to keep the crown.
Yeah.
ang witty-witty din ito, no? Witty-witty. Oo. Ito. Ikaw, te.
Ako dapat hindi. Kasi sinabi nga, miss hindi naman sinabi na, anyway, anyway, kasi, pregnant ka
Pregnant lang naman.
Pero kasi syempre, maraming responsibilities ng isang Miss Universe. So, nagta-travel siya, maraming causes. So, kung preggy siya, di ba, makakasama yun sa baget, baka hindi niya ma-fulfill yung responsibilities niya. Mapupunta siya dun sa first runner-up. So, akin, parang, hindi naman siguro madedethrone, pero in a way, parang hindi na lang dapat siya nanalo in the first. Ano ba? Kung nanalo na siya, after na siya nanalo,
Oo.
ang dami
Alam na corona.
ang daming backstory. So ayun, nanalo siya, tapos na-preggy agad siya. So, dapat siyang ma-dethrone for me.
For you. Ako naman,
Pupunta siya sa first runner-up.
Ako naman, you cannot worship two gods at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Pero 1 year kang queen, at the same time magiging pregnant ka, I'm pretty sure na kahit gaano mo siya ka strict na in-adhere yung schedule mo, talagang meron at meron masasacrifice.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi iba, syempre mo suka-suka ka nun, di ba?
Correct.
Di ba? Di ba? Naramdaman natin yan. Naramdaman natin yan, nagbubuntis tayo.
Again, next.
Next, 1993,
Miss World.
Miss World.
Miss World.
Okay, how would you tell a girl who's suffering from low self-esteem to feel better about herself? Okay.
Pindutin mo na, friend. Go.
For me, well, first of all, one of the reasons why we feel bad about ourselves is that when we compare ourselves to other people. So stop comparing yourself. I mean, be who you are and don't give a shit about what other people think of you. So yun lang.
Cover.
Well, to be confident kasi is to be sure about who you are. So, tama naman. Yung sinabi ni MA, dapat talaga you don't compare yourself with other people. And if you must compare yourself with other people, you shouldn't take it as something na, ay, ang baba-baba ko because this person is sexier than me, prettier than me. It shouldn't be that way. Dapat, tignan mo siya as something na, of a challenge na, ay, okay, ang sexy niya, dapat ganyan din ako. It should be a motivation. Not something that will, yes, not something that will degrade you.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Ako naman, you have to embrace yourself first.
Yeah.
Kasi kung hindi mo tatanggapin yung sarili ko na may peklat or something similar, hindi ka tatanggapin ng ibang tao, di ba? Kasi yung peklat mo, kung part yan ng katawan mo, at ay na, tinanggap mo kung sino talaga at ano yung mga weaknesses mo, walang makakapag, sa'yo. Walang put down, di ba?
True.
Yes, true.
Next, ano pa ba yung kasunod dito? Pang-ilan na ba yung friend?
Actually, na
Number
to
5 na to.
Okay, next,
Okay,
ito na tayo.
Okay.
Mag-skip na tayo.
Next
siguro
one.
10 question na lang. Sige.
1993 Miss Universe. If you were to become Miss Universe, what's the single most important thing you would want to accomplish?
Single most important thing you would want to accomplish. Ang hirap, friend. Single lang, kasi I would want to accomplish a lot of things. Pero I'm not an advocate of anything yet that much. Pero ako, I have donated my hair 2 years ago to people, children with cancer. So for me, I would do help promote yung awareness of what really, not a certain disease na cancer lang siya, but kung ano yung pinakamataas ngayon na anong pinakamataas na sickness or disease ngayon, and I want people to be aware of that. Siguro yun. And yung kay Tia, HIV, it's very relevant in the
Hoy! Award ano ka?
Yeah, thank you so much Ripple Award
Award.
for nominating me.
Ikaw, friend, ano to?
For that, ako naman, siguro yung single most important thing that you would want to accomplish as for Miss Universe, kasi di ba, given that you have like the much
fame.
influence,
Yes.
di ba, I think for me, be responsible in disseminating information, especially mga fake news. So kailangan mas ma-filter siya, mas magkaroon ng magandang algorithm yung mga social networking sites para malaman nila kung ano ba talaga yung legit, kasi para hindi na ma-misled yung mga tao.
Right information. Ako naman, siguro ang hirap sagutin, X na nga lang. Maghirap ako naman, madali.
Next.
1994, what qualities should Miss World embody?
Qualities, what? Ito natin. Bilisan mo, ma! Go! What?
Isasama ko yun.
Ulit mo, number 4. Go!
Number 4, Bumper perfectionist mo talaga. What qualities should Miss World embody?
Selflessness. Kasi di ba nga sabi nga ni Tia, it's a responsibility and an honor. So hindi siya title lang, yung pagiging isang beauty queen. So for me, kailangan dedicated ka, committed ka dun sa role. And ayun, selfless. Kasi kahit wala kang tulog, travel, or minsan dun yung mga pinupuntahan nyo, depressed area. So kailangan hindi ka mag-inerte. Yeah.
Ako naman, you have to be good listener. Kasi, di ba, papakinggan mo kung ano yung sigaw ng mga tao at ikaw yung
voice nila.
Di ba? You have to be a good listener.
Wow. For me, compassionate and empathetic. Tama ba?
Empathetic.
Yes. Kasi for you to influence and to help people, you should know how they feel in the first place. You don't have to experience what they did, what they experienced, pero you have to somehow feel kung how is it to be in their shoes.
Next time.
Ito, ikaw na lang sasagot dito, friend. Kasi mukhang makaano ka.
Sige.
No, next.
Pipi, nag-busin ko ang dami eh.
Go. Oo. Who do you think is the most successful woman living today and why?
Okay. Most successful.
Isip ako.
Ang dami.
The question there is how do you define
Success. Kasi subjective siya eh.
Diba?
Ayoko niyan. Di pa tayo. Next.
Lipat.
Oo.
What is the one mistake that you have made in your life and what did you do to make it right?
Ano yan? Venus Ryan na
Oh my
question.
God, I don't have any major
Major mistake.
Shit, ano to?
What is a major?
Major mistake.
Ang hirap nito ha, yung psychologist na nagsabi na ito yung pinakamahirap na...
Yes.
Yeah, mahirap nga siya kasi syempre, ano siya
Ay, siyempre ipapalaki mo ba yung mga mo?
Correct.
Diba?
Ida-down mo siya, tapos paano mo siya ito-turn into something positive that would
Uy,
inspire
ano din
people.
to, di ba? What's your greatest weakness pag interview,
Oo,
di
yeah,
ba?
parang ganyan. So what is the biggest mistake that you've done in your life and what did you do to make it right? Ano ba?
Oo, sabi ko sa'yo eh. Mahirap talaga, di ba?
Tsaka parang ayoko siya i-share. Kasi di ba?
Oo.
Huwag
It's
na.
taken against you somehow.
Oo, tsaka syempre mahabang experience. Games.
Ilang minutes lang ba siya?
Mga 16 eh, every 16.
Every 16. Ikaw, friend.
Hindi siya
Ayaw mo
mis-
aminin, di ba?
Hindi siya mistake eh. Ayaw talaga umamin. Hindi siya mistake. No. Next question, please.
Oo.
Ang hirap din ako, ayoko sagutin.
Wag na siya.
Di ba? Pero yung beauty queen na nga yun, hindi nakasagot, di ba? Tayo pa kaya. Ito, wait
Oo.
lang.
Would you change your-
Oh! Would you
Okay.
change your religious belief to marry a person you love?
Okay, so for me kung religion lang naman, okay lang. Okay, kasi kanya-kanya naman talaga ng inner faith. Kung meron kang
Strong faith for this.
Okay. If you believe in a higher power, okay, so regardless of the religion, pero feeling ko kasi medyo nagiging conflict dito yung mga traditions,
Yeah.
yung mga the way to,
Culture.
yung culture, and then yung mga practices, di ba? So yun yung pinaka nagiging issue dyan. But for me, if I really love the person, kahit pa siguro Muslim, Christian, or whatever, parang hindi ko siya papansinin. So I will look beyond that.
Ako naman parang mahirap siya. Kasi di ba, nagkasal na kayo or something, nagsama na kayo sa isang bahay. Parang every Sunday, iba-iba,
Correct.
wala kayo na simbahan.
Yeah,
Diba?
kaya nga,
Tapos,
malaki
nalilito
siyang
ko,
issue eh.
Yung mga bata, nalilito kung
Mm.
saan susunod.
Correct.
At baka maging issue na siya, di ba? Later on. Ikaw, friend.
Ikaw.
For me kasi, I'll trust the rich when I'm there. Kasi right now, pareho kami ng religion.
Oo.
Pero, you cannot say for sure na solid no ako eh. Because, you know, love can make us do a lot of things.
Totoo naman.
We did
Correct.
not, we did not believe dati na kaya natin gawin.
Correct. It will make us bend our own rules.
Yes!
Ay, ito, maganda to. Next
Next.
question from 2012 Miss Universe. As an international ambassador, do you think that speaking English should be a prerequisite for Miss Universe? Why or why not?
So, nandiyan yung pabonan ko
Oo.
question. Same answer yung sa kanya, na parang it's just a language. For me, to fulfill your responsibility as a Miss Universe, you don't really have to master speaking just one language because the universal language is love.
Oh.
Gusto ko yan.
Leche.
Okay.
Kasi yun din yung sagot. Hindi siya exactly the same question, pero I remember si, Shusmita Sen,
Oo.
na ang sabi niya, they do have a lot of dialects in their country,
Yeah.
Oo.
but hindi siya naniniwala, you have to learn everything.
Mhm.
You have to just learn love, because
Yeah.
love is a universal language.
And listen.
Yeah.
Kasi minsan kahit na hindi naman nagsasalita yung tao, you know that the person is going through something, di ba?
Oo.
You would feel and you would know kung may compassion ka and empathy.
Yeah,
That's
and
important.
besides, if you really have to speak something sa mga tao, then might as well get an interpreter kasi they would understand it better if
Oo.
language nila and if dialect.
mas magiging local and mas magiging personal.
Mas may genuine pati.
Tsaka hello, the technology ngayon di ba, the subtitle.
Ano yung sa Uber? Ano yung...
Yeah, di ba yung mga auto-translate,
Yes.
mga auto-subtitle, may mga, pwede nga namin lagyan to ng caption ngayon and then you can
Oo.
translate it to any language as long as clear yung pagkaka-pronounce sa mga words. Mas madali
Okay.
siyang nadedetect ng machine.
Pinaka-best example nito na hindi lang language ang kailangan ng communication. Si Pacquiao, di ba?
Correct.
Lahat ng mga status ng mga mula sa mahirap hanggang sa mayaman, pinagsama-sama niya kapag nagsumusubok
Correct.
na siya.
Mhm.
Di ba? Ito yung pinaka-best example na hindi lang kailangan language for you to communicate.
Okay.
Yes,
Next.
next one.
What can be
What can be done about the lack of jobs for young people starting their career around the world. Okay, for now, let's to be specific, yung call center.
Okay, ikaw na muna. BPO,
What can be done about the
lack of jobs for young people.
Kasi sa BPO,
Which is hindi applicable to. Kasi
Yes.
diba?
Well, for
Ayaw
me, when
mo
you say
Hindi siya lack of jobs.
When you say kasi lack of jobs, sa Philippines kasi we define job as something like you have to go 8 to 5, 9 to 6, ganyan.
Oo.
Kailangan
Pero-
corporate world.
Yeah,
diba?
pero the world is improving, diba? Job is not just going to the office. Job can be, you can be an influencer and earn money.
Mhm.
That's a job. It depends on you. So, pag sinabing lack of jobs for young people, maybe it's high time to like, kasi HR ngayon actually going younger na din eh. They would understand na pag nilagay mo yan sa requirement mo na kailangan may experience 2 to 3 years, ganyan, hindi talaga makaka-apply yung mga young people.
Oo.
Yeah.
Kasi graduate
Diba?
lang eh.
Correct.
So dapat sana people from
Isip.
kaya nga, isip ako, hirap. Kaya dapat siguro maging aware na sana tayo and mag-adjust na it isn't really experience na makakapagsabi kung magaling or something yung isang person based on the resume.
It's how they with the willingness to learn.
Yes,
To
kasi
learn.
pwedeng ilagay ko sa resume ko 2 to 3 years akong nagtrabaho dyan, but ang experience ko pala is not sufficient enough kasi hindi naman talaga ako magaling.
Oo.
So
Yeah.
maybe give people more chance to show themselves. Yung sa na-interview natin last time na parang nag-fail sila sa interview pero tinawagan pa din sila,
Yeah.
tinrain sila, binigyan sila ng chance. And then kung pumasa sila sa training na yon, then ina-absorb sila ng
Yeah.
company.
Oo.
Maybe that is a good practice.
Ikaw?
Hirap.
For me, the only thing that separates us or the young people from
Yung tayo.
kaya nga eh. So,
millennials.
the only thing that separates young people
Us.
from getting the opportunities is, I think, lack of preparedness or lack of preparation. Kasi there are a lot of opportunities out there. Like, you can just go online and then do your own or make your own online shop. O kaya
Yes.
naman create something like a video or whatever, and then you can earn from it or do small business. Especially with by virtue of magical technology right now, everything is
Yes.
like smooth and possible. It's just that if you are not ready or if you don't have like the skills and the talent needed for that, you won't succeed or you won't get it. So, the world doesn't owe us something na parang kasing we think na parang opportunities should just knock on our doors.
Oo.
So, it doesn't work that way.
Diba? Hindi ang grocery ang pupunta sa bahay mo, mag-grocery ka talaga. Parang gano'n.
Ano ka talaga?
Yes! O, ako naman, siguro yung word na lack of jobs, hindi siya applicable.
Yes, for-
Applicable lang siguro siya, ito lang yung mga palusot ng mga taong tamad.
Correct. Oo.
Diba?
Or meron naman talagang mga
Namimili.
jobs. It's just that they are not really confident na parang baka hindi sila pumasa or baka nagkaroon sila ng mga experiences kasi na
Traumatic.
trauma na parang discriminate sila. So I suggest you go somewhere else, go places
Tsaka
and try.
do not seclude yourself in a box na pag halimbawa, for me I am an engineer by profession, pero I've been with jobs na hindi talaga related to
Yeah.
my role.
Oo.
Why? Because I believe pag gusto ko yung job, I should try. Kasi pag simula pa lang binasa ko, hindi siya engineering
Yeah,
related,
yeah.
ayaw ko na.
Or, yeah.
Hindi mo na tinry, hindi mo malalaman kung pwede
Yeah.
kang pumasok doon.
Tawag kasi ng mga self-limiting beliefs na
Yes.
parang you think na parang kailangan ko dito magaling sa math or kailangan dito fluent sa English, and then the only failure in life is not trying.
Yes.
Yeah.
Umaga na!
Okay, last question. Second to the last, 2014 Miss Earth. If you win tonight's crown, what will you do to help reverse the effects of global warming?
Okay.
Ang hirap nito.
Ikaw na ka na. Ikaw naman makana dyan.
Kasi naman kakatanong ko lang, ako na naman sasagutin ko na. Ay shit, ang hirap! Kasi global warming, may pakialam ba sa global warming?
Oo naman.
Diba?
It's happening. Ang init na nga ngayon pa lang, di ba?
Oo.
Kung 2000, ano na dapat eh. Bare months na, rainy season na
Oo,
dapat.
medyo
So,
dapat malamig na yung
parang summer.
Siguro ano lang, information.
Mhm.
Information kasi lalo na sa mga bata, sa mga young generation, kasi sila yung susunod na mag-create ng mga bagong makakasira ng ozone layer natin.
Correct,
So,
correct.
talagang una pa lang, sila na yung i-educate. Kasi yung mga matatanda ng mga businessman talaga, so
Correct,
quote-unquote, matitigas na yan sila eh.
Mm.
Di ba? Parang they are now profit-oriented people na
They just don't care.
correct. But kung sa bata ka pa lang, sisimulan mo na okay, ikon na, baka hindi mo na maabutan itong mga endangered species dahil namamatay na sa sobrang init. Doon pa lang, ma-aware na sila, okay, kailangan natin gumawa ng something dito.
Okay, so ito naman.
Well, for me, maximize siguro yung the technology that we have right now. We all know na influencers are better. Tinawag sila as influencers because they have better reach to people, whether they be young, old, no matter the age. So, for me, we will tap help from people na talagang nakaka-influence. Good yung sa school with younger people, yes, but you have to broaden up your reach sa mga tao. Ngayon, a lot of people are doing Facebook, Instagram, then might as well influence them from there.
Yeah. Or for me naman kasi, parang do your own part, diba? Parang, like for example, reduce your carbon footprint. Like, use ride-sharing apps like Uber instead of like driving your own car, or don't buy your own car yet kasi makakadagdag ka lang sa pollution, o kaya naman conserve tissue papers in the restroom, diba?
Parang simple,
Mga simple, lang kasi, like yung mga garbage, yung mga small, mga wrappers, yung mga candy, don't throw it elsewhere kasi magbabaha. Alam mo yun, kasi kung may mga small contributions tayo, di ba? Hindi kasi lahat mapupunta, hindi lahat ng responsibility nasa government or nasa mga private mga sectors natin, na lahat sila na porke may engineer or porke may mga janitor, parang hayaan mo na nakakalat dyan. Do your own part so we can help make the world better.
Yeah.
Sometimes nga, yung parang naglalakad ka, tapos may nagtapon bigla ng Yossi or ng
Yeah.
yung cover ng candy. Naiirita talaga ako.
Yeah.
Pag kaya ko siyang habulin, hinahabol ko naman siya. No? Sir,
And
excuse me, or pinaparinig.
Correct, lalo na yung mga plastic or mga styrofoam caps.
Yes.
Styrofoam cups, di ba? Kasi it's gonna be there forever, di ba? Kahit na namatay na tayo or whatever, pa rin sila, nandiyan pa rin sila.
Yes.
Kasi ibig sabihin, matagal, hindi sila ganun ka-biodegradable, matagal sila ma-decompose.
Trivia pala, I remember, yung cups na paper cups, actually mahirap siyang i-recycle.
Hindi yan siya
Yeah, because they're,
May
like, if
plastic
I'm not mistaken, 1% lang ng world's recycler ang kayang mag-recycle nun. Because there's a specific machine to do that. So, the best siguro is like to bring your own tumbler.
Tumbler, yeah.
Kasi pwede mo naman magasan eh. Yun, one thing to do pa.
Tsaka kung halimbawa, YouTuber kayo, wala pa pala kayong niche, hindi gumawa ka ng YouTube na puro recycle yung gagawin mo,
Correct,
baka mag-hit pa,
correct.
di ba?
DIY.
DIY, how to
Yeah.
recycle keme-keme. O, diba?
Correct.
Last but not the least question.
Last.
Last, isa pa.
2008,
Pilipinas, Pilipinas, what role did your family play to you as candidate as to Binibining Pilipinas? My family?
My family?
Oh,
Janina San
sorry.
Miguel, nakakaloka ka. Okay.
Go.
Well, my family, hindi pa naman na-try na maging Binibining Pilipinas, but for sure, my family. Hindi ko sinasadya yun. Kayo
Kasi eh.
Yan. Hindi, my family has always been supportive of me no matter what I do, to the extent na kahit feeling ko hindi ko kaya, sinasabi nila na, Nick, kaya mo. So, sila yung mga prayer warriors ko, sila yung emotional support ko, sila yung sila yung magiging utusan ko, mama, please, pabili ako ng ganito, ganyan. So, feeling ko sila yung all-out support.
Yeah.
And ako naman, nagdag ko lang dyan, with that being said, kasi ang family is the smallest unit sa community. So talagang, kung ang buong community ay mga siraulo, baka naman talaga lahat ng pamilya na nandun ay majority is siraulo. So,
Yeah.
di ba, siya yung pinaka-smallest unit ng community, so dapat siya yung pinaka-foundation.
Yeah. Ako naman ang answer ko dito, since being a Binibining Pilipinas, so siyempre marami kang magiging supporters talaga dyan, hindi mo naman relatives, marami ka rin magiging bashers dyan. So for me, the most important contribution ng family mo doon is to be your number one fans.
Yeah.
O kaya parang sila yung talaga magbi-build up sa'yo, kasi during the times na parang nababash ka or gano'n na siya. Ano siya?
Hindi, okay lang yan.
Okay, nagano naman. What does it say? Baka wala na siyang ano.
Hindi, meron yan.
Stop automatically.
Parang sa'yo din. Ayan.
Ayan. So, ulitin natin
Go!
Tayo natin yung airplane kasi. Hindi nahirapan ako mag-video without airplane eh. Okay, game. So, for me naman, kasi di ba, if you are going to become Binibining Pilipinas, kahit pa candidate ka pala, marami kang magiging supporters or bashers, of course. So, the most important role ng family mo is to build you up, to become your number one fans, di ba? Sila talaga yung kailangan na magpo-push sa'yo. Sila yung pusher mo na go for it, or no matter what happens, kahit matalo ka or manalo, kailangan they have your back. Kasi yun yung nakaka-down di ba? Kapag may mga tao na nagmamak sa'yo or mga talagang they will try to bring you down. But if you have like a solid foundation like the family at home na talaga i-welcome ka no matter what happens. So, yun yung pinaka magiging important role nila sa'yo.
Question, follow up. Hindi lang follow up. Hindi ko sa Pilipining Philippines, naano lang ako na curious, paano pag nanalo ka ng 1 million? Di ba parang dumadami yung family members? Di ba? So,
pero for me, pag ganyan discernment talaga, kailangan makita mo yung parang, minsan kasi may mga red flags naman may kita mo na parang di naman ito nagpaparamdam dati, but ngayon biglang nagpiping na or whatever. Kasi you will really experience that or you will notice that, and then make sure to parang learn to adjust, and it's all about politics di ba? Just treat them well, and then learn to say no if it's really not something that you want.
1 million, binudget mo na yung kalahati sa kamag-anak.
Hindi.
No.
Gawa na naka-deposit, gano'n.
Diba?
O, diba? Thank you so much, guys, sa mga words of wisdom ninyo, diba? Talagang in-expound nyo ang ang mga sagot dito. So, thank you so much, guys.
Impromptu to hindi namin na-rehearse. Hindi ko lang nakita yung question.
Wala
Pero
naman.
familiar na kami kasi syempre, being a fan of Miss Universe, so, diba?
Being a fan, ako being a frustrated Miss Universe.
Well, anyway, thank you so much. Kasi masaya-masaya ako dahil subscribe to my channel. It's I Love Tanchong TV. To all my social media, it's I Love Tanchong Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.
And please subscribe to my channel, MA Bundia HD, and on my social media, MA Bundia HD.
Oh.
I don't have a channel yet, but if I would have, please subscribe. And I will follow my IG ko, Tanya Sempran, and yung aking Facebook, it's a personal page, and I also have Ratch Online Shop for all your cosmetic needs.
Yeah.
Ay, mga ganun. Pwede ka mag-makeup tutorial.
Pwede nga,
Diba?
Gawin mo na.
Or sige, I will do it.
Alright, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. May marami pa kami susunod na mga collaboration. Yung Samyan, susunod nito. Ipupunti yung link sa baba para mapanood niyo kung paano kami mag-react sa challenge na to. Meron ka ba? Pakita nga.
Yeah. Ito to.
Ayan. Yan, gagawin namin tong Samyang Challenge, pero sa channel ni
Sa channel ko. So, please.
Stand by. Thank you so much. This has been John Buddha saying, keep smiling because love it. Keep smiling because life is worth celebrating for. Bye-bye!
Okay.
Go!
Ano ko muna to?
Set up! Next set up!
Set up. Ikukunin mo na ba yung dito, yung file?
Ay, hindi. Isahan na kasi mamaya. Kukunin mo rin sa akin.
Oo, sabagay. Sige. Mamaya na tayo after mag-fit.
Go!
I-charge ko muna.
Okay.
So ganito pala ginagawa ng mga nagko-collab sa mga ano, no? Yung sila.
Bahay-bahay.
Oo, di ba?
Uy, patingin ako dito.
Sige, girl. Go. Sige. Hello ka.
Ito, babaligtarin lang natin to, friend.
Oo.